In this experiment, an interrupt is configured as a non-vectored interrupt. The non-vectored interrupt is also interrupt request, so therefore the function is defined as ISR using this keyword as highlighted. Building this program and the stepwise execution. Again, port 1 bit 16 to 23 are set as output and cleared as well. Using the pin select register for port 0, the external interrupt 1 is enabled. Since this is a non-vector interrupt, the address of its service routine is stored in the default vector address register of the vector interrupt controller. And using the enabled register, interrupt enabled register, the interrupt is enabled. The execution stays in while loop until an interrupt is generated. I am generating the interrupt by unchecking the bit 14 of port 0 and stepping over. The execution reaches the vector table wherein the interrupt service routine address is loaded into the PC. And executing, since this is a non-vector interrupt, the source of the interrupt should be tested, and which is done by the IRQ status register of the vector interrupt control. Since in this case there is only one source, executing the lines in which the bit 16 to 23 are set of port 1 and the peripheral interrupt flag is cleared. The dummy write is done to signal the end of the interrupt, and it can also be seen that the mode is in IRQ. Since the interrupt is serviced and there is no another interrupt, so the execution again reaches the while loop, again generating an interrupt. Similar steps are executed again.